Check me out. It's my first tutorial. Let's see how we do. Jay the Master Barber, by the way. Notice I zoomed in so you can see my client's hairline. Watch me blend and fade and bring this thing back. You know how we do it. The Great Vibes way.
So every week, it's the same restaurant bringing the food? Yeah. Y'all don't get tired of that?
Not everyone orders it all the time. And every year they change it.
Right now I'm going with number 3 with the green, laying down the front in the parietal ridge. Trying to get this blend in effect. I like to go ahead and put my front line in. Had that thing extra crispy so I know what I'm working with. See my canvas. Now we about to blend. We blend down, now it's time to blend up. Get out that bald line. Yes, sir. All cordless on my side, baby. All cordless. I hate having cords getting in the way. Blend out that bottom line. Get that blurry effect. The Great Vibes way.
Better, Jason Tatum or what's my man's name from Phoenix? Kevin Booker.
Going in with the one guard, still blending.
Killer.
Working it with my 0 guard, flicking the wrist, flicking the wrist. Take the 0 guard off, and I say, you know what? See a line at the bottom, so I'm gonna go in with no guard. Notching it. Yes, sir. Look at that flick of the wrist. The finesse. Ain't playing no game. Yeah, spinning on him. See the fade. Goes perfectly into the bush. Curly top. One of the hardest haircuts to do. But we getting it done. Blurry thing, baby. All we doing now is paying attention to detail. Detailing, baby. Finding spots where it's heavy and we just detailing. Making sure that thing looks flawless going into the curls. Tell you, one of the hardest haircuts ever in life. It may look like you got a line, but there's no line. It's all about the angle, them curls pop. Then we breaking out the razor. Really, I was just checking my work in the mirror. I was just joking. Hitting him with the razor, you know. He wanted some 2 cuts in his eyebrow, trying to wild out. So I freshen out with the razor too. You getting it in. Now you about to lean them back.
John, but he's won 95% of his games in
Killer.
this building. And right now, they look like a team that is every bit as good as the number 14 in the country on the court.
Yes, sir. Still detailing, getting that line out at the bottom. Now we coming with the airbrush, making sure it's extra crispy. My man said he had a basketball game to go to, so I had to get him right for that game, have him shining. Dropping 40 on him. You guys, clip over comb, more detailed work. Trying to make it official when you get in that shower. Have that curls blend perfect with the fade. Yes, sir, pretty much done. Showing off the fade, splitting them around, still detailing. Take any bulk out.
He blew up. Yes, he did. Yeah, and he was going to go back home, but once the offer started to come, he said, why wait? I might as well get to Kansas, and he has. And
Still checking my work, showing them the mirror. You love it? And that's a wrap. Let's get it. Book your appointment today. GreatVibesBarbershop.com.